Welcome to Preparing Your Tarp, next edition. So we're going to take these mitten hooks and attach them to some shot cord and then have a loop at the other end of the shot cord. This end will attach to the tarp door, and then this end will attach to other ends like this on the other doors of the tarp, and also to the guidelines coming off the tarp so that the doors can stay shut and taut, or they could stay open and taut, and I'll show you that at another time. But right now we're just going to make these. Now I'm not a huge fan of this type, but this is the type that I have. So we've got a mitten hook here, and then this part that your shot cord will go into, and then those teeth are supposed to clamp it down with this guy. We'll see. So first thing is to put our shot cord in that groove, clamp down the teeth section. Oopsie, backtrack. First thing is to put the sleeve on the line, little end first, then put the cord into that groove, clamp the teeth down, and then push that sleeve. That'll keep the mitten hook on there. I think I would have preferred the mitten hooks with the loop on the bottom, the hard plastic loop. I think that would have been better, but this is what we have to work with. So till it breaks, this is what we're going to do. And then I'm going to measure out here 18 inches plus about 3 inches to make the loop, so that my whole string is 18 from end of loop to end of mitten hook. And then I'm just going to cut it with the scissors, play with fire, just seal that end off. And then this is just the loop I used as a kid when we'd, tie water balloons. So make a loop, wrap it around your finger to make another little circle, and then pass the loop end through that circle and pull. Then you'll end up with something like that. But that's not big enough. I need a bigger one. Let's do that again, shall we? Whew. Okay. Make that loop a little bigger. Plus it'll be easier to tie. So make a loop around your finger, put the loop through that circle, pull it tight. Ta-da! There you go. So again, this side will be attached through the ring at the tarp door at the bottom corner, and then this end will be able to attach to this end. Like that. And that will keep the doors open when you need them open. All right, when I get them attached to the tarp, I'll show you that too. Thanks for watching.